If you're looking for men's boots casual for men, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Bruno Marc, New York. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Bruno Marc, New York. Number 3, by Metrocharm. For more info about this great top 10, just click this circle and get yours. Number 4, by Bruno Marc, New York. Number 5, by Unlisted by Kenneth. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.